Hello, in today's video we have the Tribe Beauty Box. So this is a bi-monthly beauty subscription. This is an indie brand, which I love so much. And then they also have a lash subscription. So this is monthly, this is bi-monthly, this is monthly. This is only $11 a month. And you have a couple styles that you can choose from. Both of these, I do have a discount code. It's just Ann in all caps that will save you some money off. So if you want to see what's inside, here are my thoughts and opinions. And am I going to keep this subscription for next year? Then keep on watching. All right, we'll go over the lash subscription really quick. I tell you guys all the time, I don't wear lashes, but my daughter wears these and she loves them. So like I said, it's only $11 a month and you get 5 lashes. I think that's pretty daggone good for 5 lashes. All right, and you get a card. It just says, like, this is called a lash scoop. And like I said, I'll leave everything down in the description box. You get to choose, like, which style you want. And very, very quickly, so this is more of a natural style right there. And then we have this one. These are the ones my daughter likes. We have that one. I mean, they're very pretty. And then this is more natural as well. All right, so those are the eyelashes from Lash Group. Lash Group? No, Lash Scoop. Say that 3 times real fast. All right, let's put this away and we'll get to the beauty box. Really quickly, I'm so mad. I have really been into the tie-dye hoodies. And I got this on Amazon for like 20 bucks. I'm like, oh my God, it's beautiful. I washed it one time. And would you look at this? Look at this. Can you see this? It looks like a mouse or something ate it. I don't know what happened. Now, this one's fine. Now, my husband washed these, and I always tell him, don't wash my hoodies and stuff because I don't like putting them in the dryer and stuff. So I'm blaming him for that. But one time, oh, it really irks my nerves. But isn't it pretty, though? I really like this. Okay. I know you're not here about my hoodie. All right. Tribe Beauty Box. This is $34.99 every other month, I believe. If I'm wrong, I will correct it on this. I'll put it on the screen, and I'll put all the information down in the description box. Okay, let's open her up. I do like this because it's bi-monthly. And really quickly, I just did a video for my Ipsy Plus, and I had an add-on of this candle, and I'm letting it burn for a little bit. And it smells so good, like so good. I might get this monthly. That's how good it smells. Okay. So this says, hello, beautiful. Here's what's in your Tribe Beauty Box. And then it just tells you everything. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size items right there. Okay, so the first thing, it says Glam Straight. So it looks like some sheet mask, right? Let's see, let's open her. Let's see what this says. What you be? So this is from SF Glow. It's a gold foil face lip eye mask set for $18. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so you get 1 gold foil face mask, and look at that. I love me some animal print. That's really nice. And then you get 2 foil. Oh, you get an eye mask and you get a lip mask. So you get the whole shebang. All right, that's pretty cool. Oh my God, I love this. This is from Tokyo Milk, the perfume in number 6. It's called Dead Sexy. And let's see, where you be? This is $42. You could have got this or the Luxie Beauty Floral, my God, Ann, talk, floral brush set for $40. But I'm glad I got this perfume. Wow. I think I might have this because you could have got these like on Ipsy. Let's see. Which one do I have? No, I have the French Kiss number 15. So this is number 6. I told you, I do like it. All right. Ooh, that smells good. Let's see. Well, that smells good too. I like this one better, the number 15 French Kiss. I like it better than this, but this smells good too. Like, I like it. I'll definitely use it. Smells good. All right, I'm happy. Yes. Okay, okay. The next thing is from Wonder Beauty, and this is a mascara. And this is $34. Holy crap. And you guys know I am a hashtag natural lash type of gal. So like today, I think I used, 4 different mascaras. So I wish I would have like this perfect mascara. Let me know down below, what is your favorite mascara? Let me know. And so this is the Mile High Club. I've never been a part of the Mile High Club. Do you know what that is? Let me know down below. Okay. It doesn't really have a scent. So it's one of these. I didn't know if it was like the U shape or like this. So we'll definitely use it. I think I tried this before. I can't remember. But I don't remember if I liked it or not. So, okay. The next thing is a mini scrubber. And let me just tell you, most people would probably be like, I don't want this in my beauty box. But I love exfoliating. Like, I love exfoliating my face, my body. I mean, I love it. So I've tried these before. These are the Daily Concepts, and they're not that expensive. You can get these at Walmart, and I really like them. And my daughter likes them too. Yeah, $8. So this is a facial scrubber. I love it so much. So, all right. And last but not least, guys, we have a palette. So this is from Illamasqua. This is the Expressionist Artistry palette, or you could have got the Unveiled Artistry palette. Both of them will be $50. Oh my God. Okay, which one did I get? I got the Artistry palette. Okay, let's see. $50. My God. See, you know what? I look at it like, oh God, like I look at like higher end, like ABH palettes and stuff, and they're not even $50, right? So it's like, when I hear $50, it's, you know, I don't know. But do I have this palette? Let me look at the colors. No, I do not have this one. So you have a mirror right here, and these are the colors. So it's like a nice neutral color. This is like definitely like an everyday use. Would I pay $50? It reminds me of like the Lorac palettes. I don't think I'd pay $50 for this. How many do you get? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 shadows. Let's do some. Well, they feel nice though. Let's see. All right, here are 4 shimmer shades. Let's see. Okay, that's going in one time. It's pretty. Is it like I'm doing cartwheels over? I would expect more from a $50 palette, but maybe when you wet them, they're really good, you know? All right, where's my thing so I can wipe my fingers off, and then we'll swatch the mattes. I'll just pick 4 of the mattes. That way we know, because the lighter ones won't show up on my skin tone, you know? You won't be able to see it. So that's the darkest shade. Let's go in and see if it deepens up, because I want my, yeah, it does. See, it definitely deepens up, because I want that dark shade to be really dark. Yeah, it definitely builds up. So let's do like some of the shimmer shades again and see if they're buildable. Oh yeah, they're definitely buildable. I just did the first 2. So I take back what I said. But we will see. I'll have to play around with this and see. It's kind of like something that I have on my eyes today. We'll see. It's just that $50 price tag. But even though I say that, we're not really paying $50. We only paid $34 for this box. And I really like that you mostly get makeup. Like, so we got this, and then you have this, right? But there are many, many boxes that I get all makeup. Like, you barely get any skincare. Like, this is just once every few, you know what I mean? So I really like the try box. Oh, and we got the perfume. I love getting perfume. Let me know if you do. Not everybody does, but I love it. I have been on this perfume kick. You know, I used to be on like an eyeshadow kick. Now it's like this perfume kick. So it's like, yes, all the Ipsies, when I see perfume, like, I'll give an example, like these Kenzies and stuff. Yes, ma'am. Especially the Juliet Has a Gun. Oh my God, every time I see that, that's really good. I really, really been loving perfumes lately. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in this month's box. So we have the, eyeshadow palette. I couldn't think for a minute. We have the full-size perfume. I'm going to put it right over here with my perfume stuff. Okay, we have a mascara. I love getting mascaras. I would get them every month. I love mascaras. We got, what else we got? We have the whole 9, so you can actually put all these on at the same time. You can put your lip mask on, the eye mask on, and then put this right on top so nothing slides down. So that's pretty cool. And then we got the scrubber. Like, I know me. I'm always complaining like, oh my God, more skincare. But I don't know. I just love exfoliating. So I'm really happy with this box. So if I had to like rate this on a scale 1 to 5, 1, it's like I want to throw it away. 5, I'm doing cartwheels. Probably a 3.5 to a 4. If it was like all makeup and the perfume, it'll be a 5, you know? It's just that, I don't know, the palette. I don't know how I feel because I love getting palettes. I think it's just that $50 price tag. I don't know. I got to stop doing that because it's not like we're really paying for it. But let me know down below, do you get Tribe Beauty Box? And if you do, what do you think of it? Do you want to see this on my channel for next year? So I had said that in 2022, I canceled a lot of subscriptions. So I get BoxyCharm and PR, but I used to have my own account where I got the premium, the base, the luxe. I canceled all of them. I get the Ipsy and PR, and then I have my own account, which I'm thinking about canceling all of them and just keep the one in PR. I'm thinking about, like, I love the indie brand subscriptions, but there are a lot that I have canceled because I don't want to just be a subscription unboxing channel anymore. I still want to unbox because I love them. And let's just be real, I love me some mystery boxes. But I want to do other things. So in January, I want to do like my thoughts and opinions of new makeup releases, or, you know, just different types of things. Maybe some get readies with me, you know? So maybe some makeup reviews, stuff like that. So if you have any other ideas, let me know down below. I also have a second channel. It's called Just Anne's World. Why? Because it's all about my world. And over there, I get more personal. So I do some get readies with me over there. I try on makeup that we get in subscription boxes. When I do my story times, I do get readies with me. I haven't filmed in a couple weeks because I had said in my other video, my boys got COVID. And well, actually December 15th, my blue nose pit bull Nala, which I love so much, she got spayed. And then my oldest son got sick. And then my youngest son got sick. And then me and my husband wasn't feeling well. We tested negative and my daughter is negative. So I feel like I haven't slept for a month. So I really haven't been filming. But yeah, starting January, you're definitely going to see more of me. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but yeah, I'll leave everything down in the description box. Oh yeah, and I also have a podcast. I have a podcast with my dear good Judy, Abby from Abadabs. I'll leave the podcast channel down below. It's called Jersey Tea Podcast. Why? Because we're 2 Jersey girls. All right, guys, that's enough. I'm done talking your ear off. I haven't filmed in literally 2 weeks because my other videos were pre-filmed. So it's like when I don't film for a while, I don't shut up. You know, it's like I haven't talked to you guys in a long time and I can't stop talking. So enough of me talking. All right, guys, please like this video. It really does help me out. Make sure you comment. That helps me out as well. Make sure you have your post notification bell on. That way when my 50K giveaway video, I couldn't think for a minute, video goes live, you guys will be able to see it. And because we all know YouTube does not give out notifications anymore, so make sure you have that bell on. Or if you don't see it, just keep checking back. If you don't see videos from me in a couple days, just keep checking my channel and seeing, because like I said, YouTube isn't giving notifications out anymore. All right, guys, that is everything. Don't forget to let me know what you think of the Tribe Beauty Box. And that is everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.